If you ask me today, what's the one asset truly worth holding for the long term? My answer would be simple: Bitcoin. And I don't say that to be dramatic. I say it because right now, there is no other asset on earth that even comes close to Bitcoin when it comes to long-term potential. Think of it like a marathon. The runner in first place is so far ahead that the person in second actually thinks they're leading because they can't even see number one anymore. That's exactly how Bitcoin compares to everything else. US stocks, sure, they've averaged 8 to 12% a year. That sounds impressive, but Bitcoin, it can match that kind of gain in a single day. Since the beginning, it's up by millions of percent. Nothing else even plays in the same league. And yet, people still cling to this idea of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? Sounds smart, until you realize this. What if there's one basket that's stronger, scarcer, and more powerful than all the others combined? In that case, spreading yourself thin just means you're giving up the best opportunity of your lifetime. Diversification makes sense when options are close in quality, but when one asset is so far ahead, focus and concentration is the smarter move. This is also the secret wealthy people have always known. They don't sell great assets. They hold on to them, then use them as collateral to borrow against. Why? Because selling means you lose the very thing that creates long-term wealth. Borrowing, on the other hand, lets you unlock cash while still keeping the asset. And on top of that, borrowed money isn't taxed the way selling is. In a debt-based economy, those who know how to use debt are the ones who win. And here's the game. Changer. Bitcoin is becoming the best collateral the world has ever seen. It trades globally 0.247. It doesn't depend on any government. It carries no third-party risk. And it's insanely liquid. You can move $1 million worth of Bitcoin on a Sunday morning with nothing but your phone. Try doing that with real estate or gold. And this is just the beginning. Today, Bitcoin is the foundation, the base layer. Think of it like the bedrock of a skyscraper. It's not supposed to be fast. It's supposed to be unshakable. On top of that, we now have layer 2 technology that makes Bitcoin move faster and cheaper. And layer 3 is coming next. Financial services like loans, collateral, insurance, all built on top of Bitcoin. This is where the real separation happens. If you hold Bitcoin in self-custody, you'll have access to this new world. But if you only own paper Bitcoin through something like an ETF, you're still asking for permission. You don't really control it. That's why the message is clear. Bitcoin isn't a short-term trading toy. It's the single most important asset worth holding for the long run. Don't sell it, hold it. And when you need liquidity, borrow against it. That's exactly how the wealthy preserve and grow assets for generations. So here's the only question that matters. Do you have the patience to hold Bitcoin for the next 10, 20 years and witness it becoming the foundation of the global financial system? This video was made with love, research, and respect for your time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.